Hello friend, today we discuss how to create wind map. It is very important for wind direction and speed. So we discuss today. Here we see substation, substation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and its coordinate x coordinate and y coordinate and speed and direction. Here is substation detail, coordinate and speed direction. So we create a point, substation point using ArcMap. So we open ArcMap, we add Excel. Here is Excel. We open Excel. Add here. We see x coordinate, y coordinate, speed and direction is substation. And we create point. We right click, go to display XY data. We select here X and Y and OK. Here is we created a point. Export in shape file. We right click and go to data, export data. We write here station, yes, okay. We remove it and add shape file. Here is substation and we change symbology and we display substation. Here is substation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This substation. We create a map. We go to Arc toolbox and special analysis tool and go to interpolation and we select here IDW, double click IDW and we select here station and we select here speed and OK. We create speed map and we create direction map. Go to Arc toolbox, analyst, special analyst tool and interpolation, IDW, double click and we select substation and select direction and OK. Here is direction, its direction map and its speed map. So we write here direction and speed and we create a fishnet. We go to search and we write here fishnet. Create fishnet. We select here output location. And we select here direction and cell size 500, and we select create label point and OK. Here is polyline and OK. We create fishnet. After creating fishnet, we go to extraction, arc toolbox, special analysis tool, extraction. After extraction, we go to extract multi-value to points. Double click and we select here grid level, and we select here direction and speed, generated map direction and speed, and OK. We check level. Here is direction and speed is added. Every point direction and speed is added. So we change symbology. Property and go to symbology and select here quarantine and graduated symbol. We select here speed and we select here classes 4 and select here symbol. We select here its symbol and go to edit symbol. And we select here Esri cartography. Esri cartography. We select here arrow, select one and is unselect. Select it and OK. We go to advanced rotation and we select here direction and geographic and OK. Apply. OK. We see here its direction, its wind direction which created by arrow. We also display in label. We go to property, label, we select here direction, apply and OK. It's direction, it's direction. And if you want to display in speed, go to property and select here speed, apply, OK. Here is speed. You see every point. We created wind map. So if you want to print out it, so you take print out, we write here wind map, and we export it. File, export map, right here wind map, save, we created here is created, wind map is created, wind map is created. If video is like, please share and subscribe to all friend. Thank you for watching my video.